Now imagine this. It's a stormy night and suddenly your neighborhood is plunged into darkness. The power's out and you're scrambling to find a solution. The usual go-to might be a gas generator if you have that set up, but as soon as it roars to life, you're reminded of its downsides. The noise, the fumes, and the inconvenience of constantly refueling. In moments like these, having a reliable, quiet, and efficient portable power station isn't just a luxury, it's a game changer. When it comes to portable power station, two names stands out. It's Ecoflow and brand new DJI. This one is the Ecoflow Delta 2 and the DJI Power 1000. In this in-depth review, we'll go beyond just the specs and dig into the real-world scenarios where these devices truly shine. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of which power station reigns supreme and what's best for you. Let's start with the most practical use case, powering your home during a blackout. With the lights out and essentially appliance down, the first thing you need is a reliable backup. The DJI Power 1000 comes into play with a 1024 watt-hour battery capacity, up to 2200 watt stable output, and up to 4400 watt peak. This means that it can keep your fridge running, your phone's charged, and even your Wi-Fi up and running longer than most portable power stations. The beauty here is its ability to power multiple devices simultaneously without any hiccups. In comparison, the Ecoflow Delta 2 has the same capacity of 1024 watt-hour, but only output at 1800 watts, and the peak is only 2700 watts. While these specs are impressive, when you are in a situation where every watt counts, you'll find that the DJI Power 1000's efficient management of its power gives it the edge in longer lasting performance. So right now we have a toaster and a water heater plugged into our DJI Power 1000. The toaster is about 900 watts and the water heater is 1000 watts. Let's see if it can handle it. I like how it displays how much output it's using. It's saying that it's 1928, which is on par to the specs of the water heater and the toaster. And there goes the toaster, and then the water heater should be soon. And as you could see, it also will relate it on the output display there. Next up is the Ecoflow Delta 2. We're gonna do the heater again and also the toaster. And as you could see, the water heater here, it seems weird. It's a bit lower. It's not doing the full 1000 for some reason, but whatever, still outputting 1700 there, which is not bad. And as you can see there, the toast is done. The next step would be the water heater. And that is it. It's able to do it. Now, another place that you would use these is for camping and outdoor adventures. I mean, no one likes to be burdened with unnecessary weight and cumbersome equipment while trying to enjoy the great outdoors. So here is where DJI's thoughtful design shines. The Power 1000, weighing around 31 pounds, which is 14 kilograms, is not just powerful but also portable. Its sleek, compact design with dimension of 13 by 8 by 10 makes it incredibly easy to carry. Whether you're hiking to a remote campsite or setting up for a weekend in the RV. No more lugging around heavy gas generators or dealing with the mess of fuel. Just grab the DJI Power 1000 and you're good to go. On the other hand, same thing with the Ecoflow Delta 2. While still portable, it's slightly lighter at 27 pounds, which is 12 kilograms, with dimensions of 15.7 and 8.3 by 10.6 inches. If your travels involve a lot of movement or if space is a premium, the slightly lighter weight might be the advantage. However, considering the power and features of the DJI Power 1000's extra weight is balanced by its additional capabilities. Now, imagine you're in the middle of your camping trip and dealing with a prolonged power outage at home. The last thing you want is to run out of juice and have to wait around for hours for your power station to recharge. Now, the charging speed for the DJI Power 1000 excels with its fast charging technology, capable of recharging from 0 to 80 in about an hour and reaching full capacity in 1.5 hours using its proprietary fast charger. Whether you're plugging it into a wall, outlet, your car, or using solar panels, it recharges swiftly. This means less downtime and more time enjoying powered devices. Now, looking at the Ecoflow Delta 2, while also quick, it recharges from 0 to 80 in around 50 minutes and reaches full charge in about 80 minutes when plugged into a wall outlet. Now, the sound test for the DJI Power 1000 is 28 decibels, super quiet during the charging times. Meanwhile, the Ecoflow is actually like a jet engine at like 62 decibels. And even at 90%, it's still doing around 50, which is pretty crazy. I think that's pretty loud, and you can actually hear it even if you're far away. Now, user interface and smart features on the DJI Power 1000 is designed with the user in mind. Its interface is intuitive, and the LCD screen displays battery life, output and input levels, and estimated time remaining. Now, what truly sets it apart is the proprietary charging capabilities. The significant advantage of the DJI Power 1000 is its ability to seamlessly charge DJI drones using its proprietary chargers. If you have the bigger drone like the Mavic 3 and you're a drone enthusiast like me, which I have the Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Avatar, this feature is a game changer. You can charge your DJI drones quickly and efficiently, ensuring you're always ready for your next aerial shot without the hassle of carrying multiple batteries. Additionally, the DJI Power 1000 offers excellent support for fast charging high-power devices like my MacBook Pro 16-inch. The MacBook Pro 16-inch actually needs 140 watts to charge, and the DJI Power 1000 is able to put out up to 140 watts on USB-C. This is particularly beneficial for professionals who rely on their laptops for intensive tasks during their travels and can't afford a long downtime. Now, looking at the Ecoflow Delta 2, it has a nice app that you can connect to. Through the Ecoflow app, users can remotely monitor their power station status, including real-time battery levels and input-output wattage and estimated runtimes. The app also allows users to control various functions of the Delta 2, such as adjusting the charging speed and toggling on and off specific power ports. This level of control makes the Ecoflow Delta 2 an attractive option for users who prefer to manage their power station through a smartphone interface. Whether you're adjusting settings from inside your home or while camping in the wilderness, the app ensures that you have the flexibility to optimize your power usage based on your current needs. However, the Ecoflow Delta 2 can only charge up to 100 watt max on their USB-C and only 12 watts on the USB-A, which means slow charge time for my MacBook Pro. So now what we did here is we plugged in using the original MagSafe from my MacBook Pro 16-inch to the Ecoflow USB-C here, doing 100 watts. It's actually only doing like 90, it's saying there. And it actually finished at like, I just stopped it at 96%. It's still saying that there's another 21 minutes to go before it finished to 100%. And we're already at an hour and 19 minutes. So we're just gonna add that to the result. And then we'll show you the next one using the DJI Power 1000. So here it is, we plugged it in on the DJI Power 1000 and also we're using the same cable. Hopefully this will give us the most accurate reading on the charging times. Again, the USB-C on the DJI Power 1000 is 140 watts rated. And there it is, in an hour, 12 minutes and 26 seconds, actually able to do it at 100%. While the Delta 2 excels in general power management and smart features, Users with specific charging needs, like those who need to quickly recharge a DJI drone or high-powered device like the MacBook Pro 16-inch. For myself, what I do as a creator, the DJI Power 1000 is more suited for my requirements. Now finally, let's consider those of you who need a power station that can handle some rough treatment. Whether it's stuffing out in a harsh weather condition or standing up to everyday wear and tear, the DJI Power 1000 is built like a tank, designed to withstand rough environments, whether you're in the mountains, desert, or just dealing with the rigors of daily use. Its durability is enhanced by its use of lithium iron phosphate batteries. These batteries are known for their long cycle life, safety, and stability under various conditions. This type of battery is particularly resistant to overheating and much longer lifespan compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries, making the DJI Power 1000 a reliable power source for years to use. In fact, these batteries last up to 10 years of usage if you use this every day for 4 hours. Crazy, right? Similarly, the Ecoflow Delta 2 also utilizes the lithium iron phosphate battery technology. This is a key feature of the Delta 2 design, offering the same benefits of longevity, safety, and stability. With these batteries, the Ecoflow Delta 2 can deliver up to 3,000 full charge cycles before its capacity drops to 80%, ensuring that it remains a dependable energy source over the long term, even under heavy use. Now, another thing, of course, is can we charge this with solar? Now, let's imagine you're off-grid for an extended period of time, whether in a week-long camping trip, living in a remote location, or preparing for a long-term power outage. In these situations, the ability to recharge your power station using solar panels is a game changer, giving you a sustainable and eco-friendly power source. The DJI Power 1000 stands out with its impressive solar charging capabilities. It can support up to 800 watts of solar input, allowing it to recharge quickly even when relying solely on sunlight. I actually tried this out with 100-watt solar panels, and it's able to do that and charge quickly. This means that with the optimal conditions, you can fully recharge your DJI Power 1000 in just a few hours using high-efficiency solar panels. Now, in comparison, Ecoflow Delta 2 can support solar input as well, but only up to 500 watts. While this is still a solid option for solar charging, it's noticeably lower than what the DJI Power 1000 offers. The Delta 2 will take longer to recharge under the same conditions, making it a bit less efficient in scenarios where solar power is your primary or only charging method. So there you have it, two powerhouse options in the world of portable energy solutions, the DJI Power 1000 and the Ecoflow Delta 2. Both offer impressive performance, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. Now, if you're someone who values seamless integration with DJI products, fast charging capabilities, the DJI Power 1000 might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you're looking for a slightly more versatile power station with a strong emphasis on long-term durability, the Ecoflow Delta 2 is a fantastic choice as well, especially for those who need something that can handle more extreme conditions and heavy usage over time. Now, ultimately, this decision comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're preparing for an emergency, planning your next big adventure, or looking for a reliable backup power source, both the DJI Power 1000 and the Ecoflow Delta 2 will keep you powered up and ready for anything. Now, for me as a creator, because I have a lot of DJI stuff like my mic right now and also my drones, I would prefer to use the DJI Power 1000 for that. Now, if you find this comparison helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to more tech videos, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below to let us know which power station you'd choose and why. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.